Luxury doesn't have to be expensive, and it definitely doesn't have to be unreliable. In 2026, many buyers are paying over $30,000 for new economy cars with small engines and basic interiors, while ignoring the used luxury market, where far better engineering, comfort, and build quality can be found for less money. But here's the truth. Not all luxury cars age the same. Some are engineered to last. Others look good for the first owner and become financial nightmares for the second. This list is based on real reliability data, ownership experience, depreciation curves, and mechanical design, not hype. Every car here can realistically be owned beyond 150,000 miles with proper maintenance. Let's start with the benchmark for reliability. Lexus ES 350. The Lexus ES 350 is the definition of low-risk luxury. In 2026, clean examples from 2016 to 2020 typically sell between $17,000 and $24,000, depending on mileage and trim. Power comes from a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6, producing around 268 horsepower. This engine has been used across multiple Toyota and Lexus models for years and is widely regarded as one of the most reliable V6 engines ever made. Fuel economy sits around 22 mpg city and up to 30 mpg highway, which is impressive for a V6 luxury sedan. Maintenance costs are modest, parts are widely available, and major failures are rare even at high mileage. If your priority is comfort, quietness, and long-term ownership, the ES 350 is the safest choice on this list. Lexus IS 350. If you want luxury with a more engaging driving experience, the Lexus IS 350 delivers. Used 2017 to 2019 models usually fall between $20,000 and $25,000. It shares the same reliable 3.5-liter V6, but in a rear-wheel drive-based chassis that feels noticeably sportier. The steering is sharper, body control is tighter, and the car feels more connected to the road than the ES. Fuel economy is slightly lower, averaging 19 to 20 mpg city and about 27 mpg highway, but reliability remains excellent. Unlike many German competitors, the IS avoids turbochargers in dual-clutch transmissions, reducing long-term risk. This is a great option for buyers who want sport luxury without gambling on reliability. The Acura TLX is one of the most underrated used luxury sedans on the market. In 2026, 2018 to 2020 TLX models can be found between $18,000 and $23,000, often with reasonable mileage. Built on Honda engineering principles, the TLX favors durability over complexity. The naturally aspirated engines are well understood, and maintenance costs are lower than most European rivals. Fuel economy averages in the mid-20s combined, and long-term reliability reports are strong. While the interior may not feel as modern as newer luxury cars, build quality is solid and ownership costs remain predictable. For buyers who want luxury without luxury-level repair bills, the TLX makes a lot of sense. When it comes to luxury SUVs, few vehicles have a better reliability reputation than the Lexus RX 350. Used models from 2015 to 2018 typically sell between $20,000 and $25,000, depending on mileage and condition. The RX uses the same 3.5-liter V6, tuned for smoothness rather than performance. Fuel economy averages around 20 mpg city and 27 mpg highway, which is respectable for a mid-size SUV. What makes the RX special is how well it holds up over time. Suspension components, electronics, and drivetrain parts are known to last. Many owners keep these vehicles well beyond 200,000 miles. If you need space, comfort, and long-term dependability, the RX 350 is one of the smartest buys available. Genesis G80. This is where depreciation works in your favor. The Genesis G80 originally cost over $50,000, yet 2017 to 2019 models now sell between $20,000 and $25,000. The recommended engine is the 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6, which offers smooth power and proven reliability. Interior quality rivals German luxury sedans with excellent materials and outstanding ride comfort. Fuel economy averages in the low to mid-20s, and maintenance costs are higher than Lexus, but still far more reasonable than most German competitors. If your goal is maximum luxury for the money, the G80 offers exceptional value with relatively low long-term risk. BMW 330i. The BMW 330i is included here with one condition: buy the right one. Used 2017 to 2019 models typically fall between $21,000 and $25,000. Under the hood is BMW's B48 turbocharged 4-cylinder, paired with the excellent ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. This combination has proven more reliable than BMW's older engines. Fuel economy is excellent for a luxury sedan, often reaching 34 to 36 mpg highway, and the driving experience is easily the most engaging on this list. However, maintenance discipline is critical. Skipped services and neglected cooling systems can quickly turn this car into a costly mistake. With a full service history, the 330i can be a rewarding ownership experience. The used luxury market rewards informed buyers. Between 5 and 8 years old is the sweet spot. Depreciation has already hit, but reliability is still predictable. Choose Lexus for peace of mind, Acura for low ownership costs, Genesis for luxury value, and BMW for driving pleasure with caution. Luxury ownership isn't about spending more, it's about spending smarter.